Hey you guys, it's the Luxury Club and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to go straight into this video. The model that I'm using today is Haskell. Yes, Haskell. Her Instagram is Chic Allure Beauty, and I decided to use Haskell today because a lot of us girls, we deal with acne prone skin, and I just felt like it was perfect for me to use Haskell because we all have dark spots and sometimes we have pimples, and a lot of times we don't find beauty influencers who do makeup on acne prone skin. So I decided to use Haskell today. So as you guys already know, my skin prep is using moisturizer and primers. The primer and moisturizer I used on her face was the Milk Hydro Grip primer along with the Jlarue Cosmetics mattifying primer, and then I went straight in with her foundation. The foundation that I use today is the L'Oreal Truematch foundation, which I love. It's an OG. I started my kit off with this foundation. It's a drugstore foundation, which is super affordable. I think everyone should have at least a few bottles of Truematch in their kit. And I'm using a Real Techniques brush to blend out this foundation. What I love about this foundation, you guys, is that it's very liquidy compared to the NARS foundation, so it's easier to build up. So I'm just really taking my time and blending this out because I really want Haskell to have a full coverage, but I also want it to be very lightweight, especially when we have acne or pimples on our face and stuff. We don't want to cake on too much product, so I wanted it to be very light and airy. And to conceal, I'm using the Born This Way concealer. This is my holy grail concealer, you guys. I love this concealer. I just found it. I just started using this in my videos, as you guys can tell, and I just really love it. The shades that I'm using on her are Butterscotch and Chestnut. I'm just really taking my time and placing the concealer with a brush under her eyes and on her chin and on her forehead and down the bridge of her nose, because we have to pinch that nose, okay? And I'm gonna take my beauty blender. This is the Luxury Club beauty blender. You guys, don't kill me. It's coming soon. I'm working on it. And I'm literally just blending all this out. And I'm really taking my time to blend this out because I really want this to look super seamless. And I don't want to look it to look too cakey. And at any given time, if this is not blended out correctly, we can definitely have flashback. Make sure you guys comment down below, what are the shades that you commonly use in the Born This Way concealer? Now, using the Real Techniques buffing brush, I'm taking excess foundation that I had on my arm, and I'm just blending out around the edges of the concealer so that it blends right in with the foundation. And I'm going in with a nose contour using the AJ Crimson palette, which is a foundation cream palette that I always use, and I'm using that to carve out her nose contour. Make sure you guys take your time when you guys are doing a pinch nose. Carve it out, take your time, and blend everything out. As you guys can tell, I'm blending in the concealer from under her eyes right into her contour so that it blends out correctly. Now, the setting powder that I'm using on her face is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I mixed the translucent mixed with the medium dark shade I think they have, and I mixed them together, and I'm just literally patting this product in. Instead of like using the beauty blender to apply setting powder, I'm patting this in so that it doesn't become too cakey and have too much flashback. So I'm just placing it on top of where I set or put the concealer. For her face powder, I'm using MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NW58, and I'm patting that outside of where I didn't place concealer, and I'm contouring her face with the Morphe bronzer in the shade Prodigy. This bronzer is a new bronzer that I picked up at Morphe, which I fell in love with. I actually think it's better than the Fenty bronzers. I don't know, you guys try it. Let me know in the comments, how do you guys like it compared to the Fenty bronzer? And I'm taking the New York Absolute pencil in the shade Smoke, and I'm just carving out Haskell's eyebrows. By the way, you guys, I wanted to do an updated eyebrow tutorial. Comment down below if you guys want me to do an updated eyebrow tutorial, and what would you guys prefer me to do it on? Would you guys prefer it on a dark skin model, a light skin model? Would you like me to use powder, pomade, or pencil? Let me know in the comments, because you know everybody likes different things, so just let me know what you guys think. Y'all see how I'm really taking my time to do Haskell's eyebrows? Like, they're so hard. because like Haskell has like one brow that's higher than the other, but I literally tried my best to get them as perfect as possible. And so I took a small detail brush. This brush is from my collection as well, and I'm taking concealer and I'm carving out under the eyebrows. And I'm using a lighter concealer so that it can highlight the brow bone, especially because the eyeshadow that I'm gonna do today, I want it to really pop, but then I also want the eyebrows to look super natural. So I tried not to apply concealer at the top of her brows. I did carve out a little bit at the top with foundation. So I took her foundation shade and I just started to like clean up the brows a bit because I wanted them to look symmetrical. Now I'm using some bronzer as a transition shade, and I'm using that to give out the natural look that I'm going for. It's not necessarily a natural look, you guys. Okay, I tried to go natural, but it didn't work, okay? Let me just say that. I just started picking up shades and then it just, I don't know what happened. So from the Berries and Creams Dominique Cosmetic, I'm using that gold shade right there at the end. And then I'm also using that dark brown shade that you guys also seen as well for her eyeshadow today. And notice that I'm using the bronzer to blend out the shimmer shadow on her eyes. I just love using bronzer. It just pops way more on my dark skin clients. Now using these Jlarue pigment, by the way, I'm in love with this pigment. Jlarue just sent me a whole bunch of new pigments and I just fell in love with this pigment. I don't remember the name. Now when I do remember the name, I will put it down in description below. And I also went in with the Urban Decay black eyeshadow. That's the blackest eyeshadow I've ever come across, and I'm using that just to smoke out the ends of the eyeshadow. Please guys, don't forget to use my code when you guys shop with Jlarue Cosmetics, because yeah sis, like you got to, like, how y'all gonna get all the tips from me and not use my code? Like, it's not fair. And I'm using this Morphe brush. By the way, this Morphe brush is a must-have. It's the M502 brush, I think it's called. I tried going in the store to find it. They don't have it in store, so you guys can just order it online. It's the Morphe M502. It's like a small dome eyeshadow brush. And then I'm going straight in with my Mega Liner. And using my Luxury Club Multipurpose Glue, I'm applying glue to the eyeliner, and then I'm placing this glitter from Jlarue Cosmetics. The glitter is called Treasure. It's like a black, brown, glitzy glam glitter. I am in love. You hear me? In love with this glitter. It shines so bright. Like, I feel like on camera, it's not giving what I was seeing in person. But I'm using a lipstick wand to actually apply this glitter, because it places it way better compared to you know, a glitter brush. And I'm going to draw out a white line on top of the glitter to give me like I don't know what I was doing. I figured that it would be cute if I went above the wing with a white eyeliner, because I feel like it was just gonna take the look to the next level. And sis, it did that. What y'all think? Y'all think I should have just left it by itself, or should I? You think it was a great idea that I actually put that? And I'm using the multi-purpose glue to apply her eyelashes as well. And these lashes are from the 20-piece lash box set. And the white liner that I use is from NYX as well. I will put everything down in the description. And I'm using the IT Cosmetics Blow Out Mascara to blend in her eyelashes. And the Inglot Gel Liner 77 to put on her waterline. Anything that I did not remember as I did this voiceover, I will definitely put down in the description. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, because it definitely helps with the algorithm of my YouTube channel. And when you guys comment and, you know, like this video, it really helps everybody be able to access these videos, and you guys get to help a girl get these numbers. You know what I mean? Like, guys, I need to get up there, you know what I'm saying? A little up there. So So I'm taking a brown and a black eyeshadow and I blended it out, and then I wanted to do like a pop, so I added this purple eyeshadow under the eyes as well, just to take it to the next level. And then I was looking at Haskell and I'm like, dang, her eyelashes aren't giving what I needed, you know what I mean? So I doubled the lashes. I took another pair of lashes from the 20-piece lash box set and I just doubled it and I added it on top. So bam, there you have it, sis. I think that right there sealed the deal. Okay, it sealed the deal. So I'm taking a setting powder. I'm saying setting powder. The brush that I was using for the setting powder, I dusted off the excess powders off her face, and I'm using the bronzer to bronze her cheeks and give her contour more definition. No, seriously, Haskell looks so good. I work with her every day, and man, when I tell you, like, seeing her like this is just like, wow, it's amazing. And the blush that I used on her face, you guys, is from the Sephora Pro palette, and it was like this orange and red shade in the Pro palette. I don't really use it often, but I decided to use it today, and it looks really good. I really like it. It's not too harsh and it's perfect. And I'm lining her lips with Nightmoth from MAC, which is a must-have. It's a staple in your kit. You must have that. And I'm just literally lining her lips. Whenever you're doing red lips, you just want to really take your time. Taking a Q-tip and I'm blending out that Nightmoth so that her lips don't look too harsh. Then I'm going in with the Feline Liner from MAC as well. And this is a little trick to, if you want an ombre red lip, this is how you get an ombre red lip. You just add black on the ends of the corners and you blend that all in. And then I'm taking Feel So Grand from MAC, which is liquid lipstick, and I'm applying that to her lips. And I'm using a disposable lipstick wand to apply it. And I'm literally taking my time and I'm applying more and more lipstick to her lips so that it doesn't look overbearing, but then everything looks seamless at the same time. Next, I'm using another red lipstick. This lipstick is a little bit brighter. I love this lipstick, you guys. This lipstick is from Morphe and it's in the shade Hotshot. She has such a beautiful smile. Oh my gosh. Oh, by the way, you guys, comment down below, what is your favorite red lipstick? I actually need, somebody was telling me in my last video their favorite red lipstick, but I need a new one. So make sure you guys comment down below your favorite red lipstick. And I'm going in with a highlighter. This highlighter is from my collection that I am also coming out with, you guys. So I've been utilizing a lot of my products so that you guys can know in advance. So when I do drop them, you guys kind of have a feel of what they look like. In the inner corner of Haskell's eye, I decided to go in with the pigment, and this pigment is from Jlarue Cosmetics. Haskell looks absolutely amazing. Thank you guys for watching. Please, please, please comment down below if you guys love this video. Don't forget to like, share this video, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys next time.